What's going on, guys? My name is Giorgio Valentin and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will talk about how you can make hundreds of dollars buying and reselling sneakers and knowing for sure you will profit. So if that's something that you're interested in, stay tuned. What's going on, guys, and welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you exactly how I make hundreds of dollars, yes, that is correct, hundreds of dollars buying and selling sneakers. So essentially what I do is this term called retail arbitrage. So for those who do not know what that is, it's essentially buying a product from one marketplace and selling it on another and making a profit. So there are inefficiencies within the market, and that's where you come in and make a profit. So in this video, I will show you exactly how you can do that with sneakers. And what the two main platforms that I use is StockX, which is one of the most premier mobile buying and selling apps for sneakers. So what they call themselves is the stock market of things. So they sell handbags, shoes, Supreme streetwear, and they also sell Rolexes and different watches. So pretty cool app. I really think they're innovating. But what I love about StockX is that it makes it so easy for anybody to just sell their product and sell their shoes. And what that benefits is if you are a buyer. And usually StockX, they have great steals. And I look out for steals, and I go on FlightClub where I just look at what I could list the product at for and sell it. So if you are interested in seeing how exactly I made $22,000 selling through FlightClub, and if FlightClub is legit, check out my video in my channel. But in this video, I will give you an example of exactly what I do. So here on the screen, I have StockX and FlightClub. So as you can see here, StockX, StockX.com, and FlightClub as well, which is FlightClub. So what I essentially do is I try to find steals of sneakers that I find that have a different price and just inefficiencies between the prices. And what I find best to look at are older sneakers. So a lot of the newer sneakers that come out, such as the newer Yeezys, the newer Jordans, the Jordan 1s, there's very limited room to make a profit. So where I look to make a profit is some of the older sneakers, and I'll give you an example of that here. And but before I get into that, so FlightClub, what they do is they take a 20% fee. So essentially, you need to keep that in mind. But let's go ahead and get into that example. So I just kind of wanted to go through this slide and just make sure that this is how I do it. So let's take a look at the Jordan 1 bread, but in 2001. So the 2001 Jordan breads. Let's take a look here. So what I like to do is first, I like to bring it up on both FlightClub and StockX. So I'll just type it in here, Jordan 1 bread, 2001. And let's find that sneaker. Let's see if it's this one. See all search results. So let's take a look here. Nothing popped up. Let me see. Jordan. Actually, it came up. It's just slow. So let's see. It's this one right over here. So as you can see right here, right over here, it shows that it's from 2001. So what I like to do is I kind of like to see what the market's prices it at. So let me go ahead and move myself first so you could take a look at this. And so right over here, you could see how the prices of the Jordan 1 2001s are about $750. So on StockX, what I like to do is I like to look at all sizes. And from here, I could see that the lowest ask is $449. So essentially what that means is a bid and an ask is how StockX works, where it's just like the stock markets, where if you are a buyer, you would place a bid on how much you are willing to pay. And if you are a seller, you would place an ask of how much you are willing to sell your product for. So in this case, someone is willing to sell the size 9 Jordan 1 bread for $449. So I'll go ahead and take a look here at FlightClub. and take a look at what their size 9 is going for. So it's going for $690. So let's say, so $690 and $449. So assuming I buy it for $449 and plus they charge $13 for shipping, so I would get the shoe for $462. $462 on a size 9 shoe. And let's say for the Jordan 1 bread, we want to undercut the market a little bit and sell at $675. So as you know, FlightClub takes a 20% cut. So $675 and a 20% cut from that would net you $540. So if you were to sell this size 9 sneaker for $675, you would return $540 through FlightClub, and you just bought the shoe for $450. So essentially, you just made $90. So that's one sneaker, and that's assuming that you don't even. That's just you saying you want to buy the product right now, not even placing in a bid closer to that price. So that's one example. Another one I'll show you. Let's take a look at the Yeezy Boost Pirate Blacks. Let's look at the Pirate Blacks. So I like to bring up both of them. And under StockX, I like to pick up all sizes just to kind of take a look here. And then in FlightClub, I will type in Pirate Black 2015. So let's take a look here. Just looking here under all sizes, you could take a look at all the prices of what you could buy them at currently. So right over here, you see at a size 11.5 going for $905. So at $905, let's see what it's going for on FlightClub. So an 11.5 is going for $1,500. So let's say you buy the sneaker for $905 plus like let's $13 fee for shipping. So you would pay $918. And let's say if you would just sell it at that price of $1,500, you would net after fees $1,200. So essentially, $1,200 minus whatever you would pay for that, for what you would have paid on StockX of $905 plus $13. So you would have made $300 in just one sneaker. That's $300. But the thing is, this is not for everybody. This is if you have the cash flow, the patience, and just understanding that your money is not going to come immediately. It may take, you never know. You may buy it, and the sneaker may take about 2 to 3 weeks to sell. You don't know. But from my experience, FlightClub does an amazing job at selling your sneakers. And you could refer to my previous video of where I show exactly how fast FlightClub sells my sneakers. And those are just 2 examples. And there's so many more examples of what we can go through on this video. So let's just go one more. Let's see the Supreme Up-Tempo. Let's see this black, let's see this gold version. Supreme Up-Tempo Gold. I'll go ahead and type it in on FlightClub too. Supreme Up-Tempo Gold. Is this the gold one? Let's see. Oh, it's the black one. Okay. My face isn't the way. Tempo Gold Supreme. Let's see. Oh, the red one. Next one, sorry. Supreme Tempo Gold. Okay. So let's take a look here. This is the gold version of the Supreme Up Tempos. So what I like to do is go on StockX and select all. And I could take a look here that the lowest price right here is $480. $480 for a size 12. So what I would do is go on FlightClub, take the same exact shoe, a size 12. The size 12 on FlightClub is going for $750. So let's go ahead and do the math. Let's say you buy the shoe direct at $480 plus $13 for shipping, which is equals to $493. $493, and let's say you listed at $750 at what it's currently selling for, and your return on that would be $600. So essentially $600 minus $483 or $493 after fee. You make a little over $100, just like that. And it's just buying and reselling. And as you can see, there's inefficiencies within the market. And you may ask yourself, like, why is it so low on StockX? And why is FlightClub selling at such a high price? And that's just how business works. And there's inefficiencies. Obviously, from my experience, StockX is better if you're looking to buy. And if you're looking to sell, FlightClub is where it's at. And FlightClub does have the brand power, and they are much more bigger. And it's something that they have continued to dominate the market for years. So if you found this video very valuable, this is a great way of how you can make extra income as well. So please subscribe and leave a like and a comment. And if this is something that you're interested in or kind of wanting to get more videos about how to make money reselling, please subscribe. Thank you.